Hands behind your back. Don't move. Stick 'em up, I told ya. Bet you never had it like that. Looking down the barrel of a soldier. Life comes at you fast when you broke down. Cold all alone and piling up on you, major. Try not to listen to the voice in the back of your head telling you you're in danger. 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 Danger.
Welcome to Sunday morning with Ryan Malone, the great outdoors.
Tough like gorilla, heavy and sharp like iron. Physically
Like the best wave? Freaking kidding me? Who's this guy over here? Talking about Manasquan Inlet? Also, just how's the waves and I just say, you know what I mean? That's all I did. I was Danny.
You're funny. That was good. Good stuff from Chris Frederick.
like a lion. Never tell yourself you can't do nothing. Even a small axe can make that big tree bubble. Fly fast like a speeding bullet. Vibes stay red hot and cannot cool it. Barriers no match for this big boy. Get up in the back, got you watch, I'm gonna go through it. I drive like slaves to earth. Elevated with the best, not the earth. You're stepping down now, let the concrete and dust. J-Bull direction, there's a